Welcome to the Envertech system installation video series. 1. Preparation. Begin the installation by taking your Envertech microinverters and other equipment up to the roof, including end cap, AC extension cable, screws and screwdriver. An Envertech microinverter installation is layout dependent. It's important to pre-plan the layout. You may choose to sketch out the installation with microinverter locations, grounding and other installation points before you reach the installation site. 2. Installation. Step 1. Mount microinverters onto the rack. Use a tape measure to mark out the installation points. Mount all microinverters under PV modules at the installation points and avoid rain and sun, with the LED side facing downward. Step 2. Grounding. Fix the screws to the microinverter installation hole. Make sure that the grounding screw thread pierced into the bracket to get the best grounding effect. Step 3. Connect microinverter AC cables serially. Connect the AC connectors on both sides of microinverters in a hand-in-hand way. Step 4. Fasten AC cables. Fasten AC cables to the rack with cable ties. Step 5. Seal the unused connector of AC cable. Insert the end cap directly into the connector on the unused end. Step 6. Connect PV modules to microinverters. Connect each PV module with the DC input cables of the microinverter. Step 7. Connect AC cable to the air switch. Use the AC extension cable to connect the microinverter with the air switch. Next, connect the distribution box to the local grid to complete the microinverter installation. Step 8. Switch on the PV system. Ensure all connection is completed and then turn on the air switch. Within a few seconds, you should see flashing lights on each microinverter. At www.envertech.com, additional training resources can be found online, including manuals and other support documents.